Yo, Chuck, what's the move, man? I was on my way up here to the studio, you know what I'm saying? And this brother stopped me and asked me, yo, what's up with that brother Chucky D? He swear he nice. I said, yo, the brother don't swear he nice, he knows he's nice, you know what I'm saying? So Chuck, I got a feeling you're turning into a public enemy, man. Now remember that line you was kicking to me on the way out to LA Lounge in Queens while we was in the car on the way to the shop? Well, yo, right now, kick the bass for them brothers and let them know. What goes on?
Not bragging, bigger than Jagger, not sagging. Roll it backwards, I'ma leave it at that. That ain't got nothing to do with that. Let's expose those cats. Holes is realistic and names are blacks. The government's got us so cut the crack. A war going on, so where y'all at? Balance is great responsibility. The police are fools stopping you from killing me. This ass is the ass, those are loop by PE. The science that we believe with TV. Mention bitches as we think about snitches. Watch the masses move as the masses switches. System missed it, but barely missed it. My soul is just gonna save my brothers and sisters.
Yeah, that's right, Chuck, man. That's what you gotta do. You got to tell them just like that. You know what I'm saying? Cause yo, let me tell you a little something, man. These brothers running around hard and they get a little jealous, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. You know, they try to bring you down with them. But yo, Chuck, you got to tell them just like that.
Screaming gangster 20 years later. Of course it goes while consciousness faded. New generation believe in them fables. Gangster boogie on two turntables. So no love, so it's easy to hate it. Desecrated